Hey, what are you up to?
Just polishing my Pixel 7 phones.
Oh, really? What a coincidence, because I have another Pixel phone just for you. Pixel 7a.
Been waiting to see this one.
Oh, thank you. Go on, open it.
Okay, let me get this ready. This is a big moment for me, okay?
Okay. Well, what do you think?
It's got a slick camera bar, the same as the Pixel 7 phones. Scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which is always handy on the cover glass there, and a nice 6.1-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate.
Yeah. Tell you what, I think it's a fantastic value phone. It's got most of what you get on Pixel 7, but cheaper.
You get all the usual suspects in the box too. A SIM tool, quick switch adapter, USB-C to C cable, and support card to help you switch. Though the switching process is already very simple.
Yeah, tell you what, let's talk about what's new in this latest Pixel phone.
Pixel 7a's 64 megapixel rear camera lets in more available light than previous Pixel A series cameras, resulting in sharp, rich images even in low light.
That's right, and it has Google Tensor G2.
Just like the Pixel 7 Pro.
Exactly. This means that Pixel 7a is faster and more efficient than previous A series phones.
Plus, as it has the same processor as Pixel 7 Pro, it has many of the same advanced features like Live Translate and Photo Unblur.
Yep, and you get all of that Google goodness at a lower price. Absolute banger.
Now, we also have wireless charging on Pixel 7a for the first time on an A series phone, so you can more conveniently top up your battery.
Oh, speaking of convenience, Pixel 7a comes with Face Unlock too. This gives you another quick and secure way of accessing your device alongside fingerprint unlock.
For those wondering about performance, Pixel 7a has 8GB of RAM, rather than the 6GB we've seen on previous Pixel A series devices. More RAM helps your phone run smoothly when moving between apps and multitasking.
Yeah, and Pixel 7a also has a 90Hz smooth display for more responsive performance.
That's quite the list of new additions.
I know, right? And we can't forget that Pixel 7a comes in an array of lovely colours. Gorgeous.
I might just have to get one of each colour for my collection.
Of course. That's all from us for now. Like and subscribe for the latest info on new Google products.